Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and let me know this is your first time watching my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time out to continue to support me on this journey. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing for the third week of August, I believe. And so let's see how much we're going to be stuffing. I'm also going to put the money from my randomizer into a new envelope that I made, which I'll show you in a minute. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 15, 25, 35, 45. So 245, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. So $254 is what's going to go into our envelopes. Let's start by emptying out our cash envelopes from this last week. So starting with gas, we have $25.30 out of 100, so $70. Whoa, hold on a second. Sorry, you guys. So $70 is what we put in. Food. I did buy a milkshake this week and a ice cream cone for one of my nieces. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'll just put that together in the end. Beauty always rolls over. I did condense this with my gas money to get change. Spending, we have $11. I did need batteries for my blood pressure cuff. So I just stopped at the store and got a small container of them or whatever. So going towards our saving challenges later on this week will be 20, 30, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Let me just make sure. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Yeah. So $60 going towards our savings challenges. I'm going to just put that back here. And then going back, so gas gets $100 every week, no matter how much I spend. I haven't had to use over 50, so this is a comfortable amount for me. I don't want to bring it down just in case I have weeks that I drive more. I want to have that money, and it's going to roll over into my savings challenges anyway, so I'm okay with that. Food always gets $25. This is if I want to stop for coffee or meet a friend for a small lunch, anything like that. Beauty always gets $25. I get my hair done every 3 months, so I save up for that, and then anything that has to do with personal hygiene, shower products, comes out of beauty. So we have 50, 75, so 75 right now. I'm the only one that uses my bath products in my bathroom, of course, so I don't have to buy them as often because I buy the big bottles, and again, it's just me. So spending, I give myself $15 every week. I am on a low spend year, trying to meet my goals and pay off debt. So I give myself $15 just in case there's anything that I do want to buy. I'm trying to not swipe my card for things that I don't have cash that's not budgeted. And so this is helping me a lot. This is the money that's going to be going back to the bank that I just took out of these envelopes this week. So we're done with that one. Next, we're going to go into my revolving envelopes. These are envelopes that I go into more regularly. First one is going to be Family Fun. Family Fun is going to get $10. So this one is for anything family related, of course. Barbecues, dinners, going out to the movies or to amusement parks together. That's where this comes from. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So there's 70. Birthdays is going to get $10. September is my big birthday month, so this will start dwindling next month. So we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 105. Medical is fully funded at $500, so we won't put anything in here. I do need to go get glasses, so this is going to come down when I do go get that done, and then I'll start putting money back in here just to get it back up to $500. So clothes is actually going to get $10. I did go buy clothes So this $110, or well, now this $120 is all going to come out to pay for the scrubs that I bought. So this is actually going to come out, and then I'll probably be putting money back into this account. I wasn't planning on spending anything on scrubs, but I happen to be in a city with a place that I like to get scrubs at, and so I happened to stop by trying to pass time. Big mistake, but either way, I bought some scrubs, so we're going to take that out. And car maintenance is going to be getting $10. So we'll put 10 in here. I was driving down the freeway and I noticed a little like light glare in my front window. My visor was down, and then when I lifted my visor, I realized that I have a crack going from the top of my window down to almost a third down, obviously from a rock or something. So I have to get that fixed, so that's probably going to come out of here. So I'm not looking forward to finding out how much that's going to cost, or how long it's going to take to be able to get it taken care of. But now in car maintenance, we have 100, 200, 300, 10, 21, and 22. So $322, of which part of it's going to go to my window now. So support small is going to get $5. So we'll put $5 in here. So we have 5, 10, 15. There are some things that I'm going to buy, so this will be coming out. And then for my YouTube envelope, I do need to take money out of here for my giveaway prizes that I sent off to cover the money that I spent for the shipping. So I will take that out, and then the rest of that's going to stay in there because I'm going to save up for my next giveaway just to have that money. So we'll put that binder aside. Next binder is going to be my dated funds. These are things that come out every year or every other year in the case of my nursing license. So right now we're working on car registration. Car registration is going to get $10. So we will put the $10 in here. And then because my nursing license is fully funded, it's not due until October, but we fully funded it with the randomizer. So we're going to put the $5 that I would have put into the nursing renewal into this one right here, so that we can start working on the car registration. So in here we now have 20, 40, 55. Once this is fully funded, we'll move this whatever money into another category. Like I said, nursing license is fully funded at $225. Moving, we're going to start putting money in here, just not today. P.O. Box, I just paid this, so we're starting to save up again. My next payment won't be due until April of next year. So we're going to put $6. So that gives us 5, 10, 11, and 12. At the end of the month, I will be moving all of my cash into my high yield account on Ally, and then putting prop money in here, because I realized that the money that's just sitting in these envelopes that I'm not going to be using for a while, I'm just leaving money on the table because I'm not getting any interest on them. But if I move them before the 13th of the next month, then I'll get interest on those as well. So you will start seeing more prop money in here, and that's only because I want to get all the money that I can, especially if it's free money. So that's that. I need 150 to be able to fund this one. So Amazon Prime is not getting anything today. This right here is for my Welk feast, so I did make a new envelope for that. So let me just move this. So this binder used to be for my self-care saving challenges, but I made new envelopes, and so I had another binder that I just put those saving challenges in. So I wanted this green one because I made these cash envelopes. I used matte vinyl, matte lamination pouches. So I'm gonna see how I like them. I just made them today, so I can't think anymore. It's getting late. My category is kind of crooked, but I'm just gonna leave it in. It is what it is. So in my new car envelope, I am going to be putting, well, I'll go to the phone because that'll tell me. So in here for my randomizer Wednesday last month, we're going to be putting $4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I didn't want to leave these in my envelopes with my savings challenges because I didn't want to get mixed up. So then this 21, 22, and 23 is going to go into my Welk fees. This is going to be due again in 2025, but I want to start saving up for it because the prices just keep growing. So then we have going into a new car. I don't need one now, but I would like to pay as much cash down when I do have to get a new car, so I'm going to start saving now. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 going towards a new car for the future. Like I said, these are brand new, so they're still kind of sticking together. So we'll put that there. And that is the last of my cash stuffing. Please join me on Wednesday for Randomizer Wednesday, where I will be cash stuffing a certain amount of money into 12 different envelopes. And then I will be... That's all I will be doing on Wednesday. Definitely check out my Etsy shop. I do have some new scratch-offs there. And then... I do have memberships open, so if that's something you're interested in, head over there. I do have a Happy Mail link down in my description box if it's something that you'd like to receive from me. Different times of the year, it just, you just have to fill it out and put your information in there. But other than that, I thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys have an amazing week. I hope you guys are being safe, and I will see you next time. Bye.